Here's a tutorial on how to make the world's best plane. Well, I didn't design it, obviously, but I just like simplify it and stuff so you can understand it easier. Yeah, there's a bike on it. My uncle printed it out and stuff. Yeah, so just yeah. So what you want to do is take this piece and fold it down like to this side over here. So give me a minute. Give me a second to do that. Oh yeah, what you'll need is scissors. You might need it, but I just use scissors. Crease that down good. Nice and sharp. Use your nails. Crease it. Okay. So once you have that, open it up again. Do the same here. Give me a second. Do this like this. And this is kind of hard sideways, especially if I'm not, whatever, just do that. Open it up and flip it over. And then you want to take this, fold it down like that, like this, crease it. Well, you don't have to do this, but to me this is easier because you're going to do this. Flip it back over, push down the center of the thing, it's right there, right? And then fold these in, and fold this down. Well, this is just, you can do this any way, but I just prefer to do it my way, like that. And then what you want to do is take these, fold them up like so. Flip this up here like that, and oh yeah, try not to rip it. So you need to try not to rip it. And then fold this end up here. Okay, hold it up like that. So you got this now. And you want to take this piece, fold it down along here. Now let me make that even. Okay, yeah, so like that. And the same thing over here. Stuff, right? Now, what you want to do is take this entire thing here, fold it so it's like a, sort of like a kite-ish thing. See, like that, do the same on the other side. Take this and fold. Well, for me this is like really hard to show you, so yeah, just I'll try. Okay, after you have that, this I can't really show you well. What you want to do is just like, give me a minute. See, I couldn't show you that well, but it's like this inside. Like, see, it's kind of hard. Sorry, I can't show you that well, but I'm doing the best I can. Okay, and they should be lined up. Oh yeah, these ends, they should be pointed more, but I think it's fine if it's like that. Just try and make it pointed. Now what you want to do is take this end here, fold it in half, fold it in half, and then this is where you're going to need scissors. Well, for me I need scissors, because I can't do the ripping thing. just then cut along the line you just folded. If this is too fast for you, then pause, rewind it until you get it. Okay, okay, once this is cut, you want to put this aside for now. We'll use it later. And then what you want to do? Oh yeah, right. Wait a second. Sorry. Wait 1 minute. Oh geez, did I mess this up? Oh wait, no I didn't. Okay. So then you wanna take this entire thing, fold it down. See these? This top. See, you wanna fold all this down. And if you want, you can fold it in half first, just to make it so you can line this up easier. But I didn't do that. Okay. What you want to do? Oh yeah. And then take this end here with this triangle, not this end here, and then fold it in half from here. Okay, so we're almost done with this part now. And then this piece, this thing here, you want to crease it so then it's just a straight line running from here all the way to the end. So you want to just try to make it straight, or at least try stuff. Okay. Then fold the other end down. And here is the thing. This thing. Oh yeah, you want to make these so it doesn't flip over, the stabilizing doohickey, whatever. So then this part's done. If you want, you can add the flaps here to help it stay up longer, but I'll just test that out first. Okay, so what you want to do with, sorry, no. What you want to do with this piece here, fold it in half, which is kind of tricky, it's so long. So fold this in half. Crud, I lost it. Okay, fold it in half. Take one end, about like 1 inch or half, 3/4 of an inch. You want to trim it like halfway. And these, come on, just crease it more. These, then you want to fold them down and become the tail. Like this. Like so. You want to take this end now. Sorry, screensaver. Take this end, put it, rest down here, and then slide it in as far as possible. Yeah, give me a minute. I need to see. Nice. Okay, so it should fly pretty good. Hold on. That's good height. So look at my closet door. See that? Interesting it? Don't look at me. So here's a side view. See that? That's awesome. Yeah, who cares? Whatever. Okay, so yeah, this is how to make it. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, please rate and comment, and yeah, peace out.